Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read a very nice poem that is My Dear Mama. Mama means mother. I know that you love your mother very much. Have you ever looked into her eyes? If not, now look into her eyes. What can you see? You can see your own images in the eyeballs of her eyes, okay? And the images are just like you and just of your size. Here in this poem, this little boy has also looked into his mama's eyes, okay? And he noticed two little boys, okay? Just of his size. They looked just like him. And now he asks his mother that who are they? Clear? Let's read the poem. Open your eyes, Mama, day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama, I want to look in. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys, just my size. Where are they now? Who can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? Okay, now come to the first line. Open your eyes, Mama, day will soon begin. So the little boy is asking his mama to open her eyes. Why? Because day will soon begin. It is morning time. And also for the reason that he wants to look into the eyeballs of his mother. Let's read the third line. Open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. So the boy requesting his mother again to open her eyes. Why? Because he wants to look in her eyes. Okay, let's read the next line. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys just my size. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, when the boy looked into the eyes of his mother, he saw his own image in the two eyes of his mother, and he thought them to be another two little boys. So the boy is saying, yesterday, that means the previous day, dear mama, dear mother, out of your eyes, that means from your eyes, peeped two little boys. That means two little boys gave a quick look towards the little boy. Okay, and this the meaning of the word peeped is took a quick look. So my dear students, can you answer me? When did the two little boys peep out of Mama's eyes? Yes, yesterday. Yesterday, the two little boys peep out of Mama's eyes. Okay, next. Now the little boy puts three questions to his mother. The first question is, where are they now? Then, who can then be? Do you love those boys as you love me? So the first question of the boy is, where are they now? The boy wants to know that where have they gone or where do they live? And in the next line, who can they be? The boy wants to know the identity of those two boys. So he asks his mother, who can then be? That means, who are they? Who are those two boys who peeped from your eyes? Who are those two boys just of my size? Now, as your mother or father loves you very much, here his mother also loves the boy very much. Now the boy puts the question that, do you love those boys as you love me? The boy is asking, mother, I know that you love me very much, but do you love those boys too? And my dear students, please remember that this poem is adapted from Lucy Larcom's Dear Mama. Dear Mama. Dear Mama is a very long poem. Okay. And this poem which is given here, it is a short form of that poem. Okay. Now, my dear students, read the poem with me again. Open your eyes, Mama, day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama, I want to look in. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys just my size. Where are they now? Who can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? Now, my dear students, read this poem attentively and try to solve the exercises given here. And I will provide the answers in a WhatsApp group. Please follow the WhatsApp group regularly.